My main convention and introduction was that people are central to the development of the semicon industry. And for that we just need to retain our talent that we have. Our experts who are going to retire, we need to retain them, but also focus on vocational training as we need to industrialize and not only do research. And spread our competencies from integrating photonics to quantum to semicon technologies in one coherent package. Valencia is amazing. I've been here before, but mostly on holiday. Now for this business trip, it's a city breathing of spontaneity and also innovation. And this forum was very well perceived, also with the new developments of the EU Chip Tech 2.0, the first time that it is revealed on a live stage. It's very good to represent the Netherlands here and to get also an international aspect to this very well perceived international conference.